In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format messages in Slack. Formatting your messages properly in Slack is one of the easiest ways to make your communication cleaner, faster to read, and much more organized. It's especially useful when you're sharing updates, technical details, or anything that needs to stand out clearly. While Slack does offer formatting buttons, using keyboard markers directly as you type is often the fastest method because you can keep your hands on the keyboard and work without interruption. To get started, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser. Then go into any channel or direct message conversation and click inside the message composer at the bottom of the screen. This is where all of your formatting will be typed. Now let's look at the most common text styles you can apply inline. If you want bold text, place an asterisk on both sides of the word or phrase. This is useful when you want to highlight something important, like a task, file name, or key point. For italic text, place an underscore on both sides of your text. This works well for emphasis without making the message feel too heavy. If you want to show that something has changed or should no longer be used, place a tilde on both sides of the text to create strike-through formatting. Next, you can create more structured messages by adding formatting at the beginning of a line. To make a list item, type an asterisk followed by a space. If you want a numbered list instead, type 1 followed by a period and a space. This is helpful for steps, action items, or breaking down multiple points. For quote blocks, type a greater than sign followed by a space at the start of the line. This creates an indented quote style that works well for notes, alerts, or text you want to visually separate from the rest of the message. If you need to highlight a command, variable, or short technical phrase, wrap it in single backticks to create inline code formatting. Finally, if you need to share a larger block of code and keep all of the spacing and indentation intact, use a multi-line code block. On a blank line, type 3 backticks, then press Shift and Enter to move to the next line without sending the message. Type or paste your code inside the block, then on a new line, type 3 backticks again to close it. Once everything looks right, press Enter to send it. That is all. Thank you.